comes to me softly, so sweetly, as if to be tears, rain falling down my window, drizzling away my years. Rain wash away all the memories, drained of love and life and all that's dear to me. And I can't find the deck of cards that I just can't forget. Raindrops keep on falling, cold, lonely and wet, carrying on a conversation with the rain, carrying on a conversation with the rain, with the rain, with the rain. Clouds roll their thunder, the wind whistles by, but I'm warm and sheltered, but it seems such a waste of time. Only for the happy smiles and the nights that never end. The raindrops keep on falling, just me and the rain again. Rain in its endless patter on my window pane. Rain used to wash upon your face in the early spring. We'd sit around and play guitar and laugh at life itself, sing songs in the sunny air and think of nothing else, carrying on a conversation with the rain, carrying on a conversation with the rain, carrying on a conversation with the rain.